Hello students, this video it is related with standard 6 and subject is maths. Chapter number 8 decimals exercise 8.2 question number 1. Complete the table with the help of these boxes and use decimal to write the number. Okay student, open your textbook and open the page number 173 because here I have drawn boxes, but it is difficult to look for you and for explanation. Okay, so open your textbook, page number 173. Here is dots are given in the box. Okay, student. First, you have to count total number of boxes which is placed inside of this square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 in horizontally and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 vertically. That means 10 multiply 10, total 100 boxes are given in this square. Now, count कितने boxes दिए हैं? 1, 2, 3, 10 and 6. Total 26. So, total boxes we have to write in denominator and 26 in numerator. So, this will become, and write this value in decimal 20 1 to decimal. After 2 digit, put decimal. Now, this value right here 0.26 for figure A. Now, figure number B. Now open textbook. See figure number B. Figure number B. One box is covered by all the dots. So here is 100. Here is 100 out of 100 and plus. In this box there is 10 horizontal dots and 8 in third horizontal row in third row, 10 in first row, 10 dots in second row and 8 in third row. So total 28 out of 100. Take this LCM, then 100 plus 28 become 128 upon 100. Write this value in decimal form. 1.28. 2 zeros in denominator. Put decimal after 2 digits. Write this value here. 1.28. Now, figure number 3. Sorry students, this B is C and this is B figure. Okay student? Now, so this value will come in C figure. 1.28. In B figure, this whole boxes are covered by dots. So I will write as a 100 out of 100. पूरे 100 में से 100 के 100 dots fill है. सब में 100 dots fill है. Now in B part of B, 10 dots in first row, 10 dots in second row, and 8 dots in third row. So 10 dots third row and 8 dots fourth row. So total 38 out of 100. Take LCM. So 100 plus 38, 138. Now write this value in decimal form. So 20, put decimal after 2 digits. So 1.38. Write here 1.38. Now students, वन प्लेस डेसिमल के लेफ्ट में वन प्लेस होता है, जीरो के वन प्लेस पे है. डेसिमल के बाद फर्स्ट वैल्यू 10th प्लेस होती है, 10th पे 2 है, 100 प्लेस पे 6. ना 1 प्लेस पे 1, 10th प्लेस पे कौन है 3, 100 प्लेस पे 8, 1 प्लेस पे 1 डॉट, 10th प्लेस पे 2, 100 प्लेस पे 8. So let us see student next sum. Now students, question number 2. Write the numbers given in the following place value table in decimal form. Okay student, sum number A. Student, I want to show you one point that is very important. डेसिमल के लेफ्ट में फर्स्ट वैल्यू वंस आती है, देन टेंस, देन हंड्रेड्स एंड डेसिमल के राइट में फर्स्ट वैल्यू आती है टेंथ, देन आफ्टर हंड्रेड्स, देन आफ्टर थाउजेंड. Okay student, keep this point in your mind. I will use this important point in this sum. Okay, let us see. Now first sum is 100 place पे 0, so 0 multiply with 100 plus 10 place पे 0, so 0 multiply by 10. जो नंबर जिस प्लेस पे है उस नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करना है. 1 प्लेस पे 3 मल्टीप्लाई 1 प्लस 10th प्लेस पे 2. नाउ स्टूडेंट 10th जब भी दिया हो 2 को ऊपर रखो और 1/10 10 को नीचे, प्लस 100 प्लेस पे 5 ऊपर 100 नीचे, 1000 0 ऊपर 1000 नीचे. नाउ स्टूडेंट this value become 0, this value also become 0. 3 1s are 3, 10 1 0, convert into decimal 0.2 plus 2 0, convert in decimal 0.05 3 0, but here is 0, so whole value become 0. Now add this sum 3 plus 0.2 and 0.05. डेसिमल के बाद 10th प्लेस, डेसिमल के बाद 10th प्लेस, 2 and 0, 2 and 100 प्लेस पे 5 and 0, so 5. Value become 3.25. Got it student? Let us see next sum. Students, remaining sums B, C, D are similar to this sum. As I have done here, remaining sums are based on this same sum. Okay, you can do by yourself. So I am giving this sum to you and solve by yourself. You can do it. Okay, now I am going to take next sum. Okay student, let us see. Hello students, now question number 3. Question number 3 is write the following decimals in the place value table. Got it student? Students, A, B, C, D, E sums are given. We have to write numbers according to their place value. Okay, let us see one by one. Student, first point, decimal in left side, first value ones, then tens, then hundreds, and decimal, and right hand side from the decimal, first value will come tenth, then hundred, then thousand. Okay students, let us see some. Now first one is decimal. 0 is ones place, A 1 plus 0, 2 is 10th place पे 2, 9 is 100th place 9. Okay, B is here 1 plus 2, decimal 10th place 0, write in the 10th column 0, 8th place 100, 1 place tens, see 10 place 9 is 1 place 9 decimal, 6 is 10th place, so 6, write 6 in the column of 10th, then 0 100 place 0. Sum number D, 1 is 100 place, here is 1 100 place, 4 is 10 place or 10 place, 8 is 1 place, so 1 place 8, decimal 3, it is 10th place, write in the 10th column 3, 2 is 100 place, write in 100th column 2. Then student, sum number E I am giving to you, solve by yourself, it is very easy as I have done here. 4 sums, C is similar based on these 4 sums. Okay, you can do by yourself. Okay, I am giving to you. Now let us see next sum. Now students, question number 4 of exercise 8.2. Question is, write each of the following as decimals. Here student, I have taken 3 sums. We have to show this number into decimal form. We have to indicate these 3 sums in decimal form. Okay, let us see one by one. First sum is 20. We can add 20 plus 9, 29 plus 4 upon 10, 1 0. So put in decimal. If there is 1 0 in denominator, so in numerator after 1 digit put decimal. If 2 0, then put decimal after 2 digit in numerator. 1 2. There is no any second number, then you can take 0. Okay. Now add 29. If you don't know how to add it, I am doing here. First write 29, 20. There is no any decimal in 29. तो आपको क्या करना है, राइट हैंड साइड पे डेसिमल लेना है 0. Then you have to keep one thing, student. You have to keep one point in your mind. That one is डेसिमल के नीचे डेसिमल ही आएगा. 0.4, 0.01. There is no number here, so put 0. 0. Okay. 1 4 9 2. So addition is 29 41. This is our answer. Now student, let us see second sum. 137 plus 5 upon 100. First write 137, then 20, then put decimal after 2 digit. First value 5, then 0, then decimal 0. Addition will be 137.05. Got it? Now third sum, 7 upon 10, 1 0. So 1 decimal will come after 1 digit. 7, then decimal 0. 2 zeros are here in denominator, so decimal will come after 2 digit. 1 2 and then decimal. Plus 3 zeros in denominator, so decimal will come after 3 digit. Count 1 2 3, then decimal. Now add this number. If you don't know how to add these numbers, and so you can add in the form of column. Write these all numbers in column form 0.7. But one thing you should keep in your mind. आपको अपने माइंड में वन चीज रखनी है, क्या? डेसिमल के नीचे डेसिमल ही आएगा. भले वैल्यू उधर से आगे चली जाए, लेफ्ट में आगे चली जाए, राइट में आगे चली जाए, जाने दो. 0.06 ये भी आगे चली गई, बट डेसिमल के नीचे डेसिमल आनी चाहिए. 0.004. Now एडिशन है 4 6 7 डेसिमल के नीचे डेसिमल 000. आंसर विल बी 0.764. Now students, I have explained A, B, C sum of question number 4. Remaining sums C and D are similar based on these three sums. Okay student, if you understood these three sums very well, then you can do C and D sums by yourself. Okay, let us see next sum. Now students, question number 5 of exercise 8.2. Sum is write each of the following decimals in words. Students, A to F, these numbers are given and we have to write words of this decimal number. Here is all numbers are in decimal form, but we have to write in word form. Okay, 0.03, it is in number form, but we have to write in word form. Word form is writing in word form. So let us see one by one. Now student, first value 0. Student, 66.12. Before point we say 66.12. After point we don't say like that 12. After decimal we have to say one digit one by one, like 107.13. Before point 107. After point we will say like that 13. 107.13. Okay student, understood? Let us see one example. 68.123. So this value, this number will be said like that. इसको इस तरह से कहा जाएगा 68.123. ओके, डेसिमल के बाद वैल्यू को एक एक करके पढ़ना है. डेसिमल के पहले जैसा हम नंबर को बोलते हैं वैसा लिखना है. 108.32, 108.32. Got it? So let us solve this sum. First value is 0.03. Okay student. Now second sum 1.20. 1.20. This is in number form and these are the word form of these decimal numbers. Now C number, we would read this decimal number like that 108.56. डेसिमल के बाद में वैल्यू को एक एक करके पढ़ना है. चलिए 108 and 8.56. So 5 6. Now D number 10.07. So write 10.07. Now sum number E 0.032. So 0.032. Now, sum number F 5.008. 5.008. 008. Got it, student? Understood? Okay. These are the decimal numbers and these are the word form of these decimal numbers. Now, student, I will come in next video with new question of this exercise 8.2. Okay. Now, till then, bye bye. Have a nice day. Thank you so much.